Hi students, today we are discussing one of the most important sub-concept in mathematics which is useful further studies well. Okay, మీరు జేఈ మెయిన్స్ ఆర్ అడ్వాన్స్ ఈ ఎగ్జామ్లో మీరు ఏ చాప్టర్లోనైనా పెర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉండాలి అంటే మోస్ట్ ట్రికీ క్వశ్చన్స్ చెయ్యగలగాలి అంటే దిస్ సబ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూ మస్ట్ గెట్ ఇట్ వెల్, otherwise you can't do well. Okay, that much important concept we are discussing now. Get ready my dear students. Okay, I'm asking you some questions, get ready to say the answers. Okay, x minus 2 less than 0, what are the values of x? You have known, in previous class we discussed. How is it? Transpose minus 2 right hand side, so you will get it x less than 2. X value is smaller than 2. X value is smaller than 2 means what is the interval form? Here strictly less than, no, open bubble, this is 2. These are the values we will take it. It is from minus infinity to infinity, no? So your x value belongs to minus infinity to open 2. Okay, solve this problem. X minus 2 greater than 0. Solve it. What is the first step? Transpose minus 2 right hand side. Now x greater than 2. Here x is more than 2. It is strictly greater than 2. Strictly greater than is nothing but a open bubble 2. Here we have to take the x values which are more than 2, are nothing but this side. So these are the values of x. Now write in interval form. X belongs to open interval 2 to infinity. X belongs to open interval 2 to infinity. If you are taking x value from more than 2, definitely x minus 2 is positive. If you are taking x value less than 2, definitely you will get x minus 2 is negative. Here you take it x value 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, negative only, no? The values which are smaller than 0 are negative values. The values which are bigger than 0 are called positive values. Now you have to get this expression positive. Then what you have to do it? మీరేం చేయాలి? More than 2 value తీసేసుకోవాలి. You take it more than 2. 2 minus 2. 0 you will get it. More than 2 you take it. 3 you take it. 3 minus 2. 1 positive. More than 2 is nothing but a 2.00001 also take it. 2.00001 minus 2. Value how much? What is the value doesn't matter. Whether it is positive or not only matter. Yes, it is positive, no? So that's why here you got it. X value open interval 2 to infinity. This is the solution of x minus 2 greater than 0. This is the solution of x minus 2 less than 0. These are the values. With the help of wavy curve method, easily we can handle. It is the single expression. Okay, we can do it like this. If suppose I am giving two expressions product, x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0, how to do it? X minus 2 whole square into x minus 3 whole cube into x minus 5 whole power 5 whole by x minus 4 whole square greater than or equal to 0. How to find that value? By checking like this, it is too difficult kind of problems we can do with the help of wavy curve method. That we will discuss now. Okay, listen carefully. See, one problem I am giving you like this. X minus 2 whole square greater than 0. What are the x values which satisfied this equation? That values must satisfy this inequation. Okay, how is it? See now. Just you take it here. First you find the zeros. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం? జీరో వాల్యూ ఏమొస్తుంది? For which value of x you will get this expression 0? 2. You take it at 2. 2 minus 2. 0. Okay, so the 2 is called 0 of this expression. Yes or no? In lower classes you have learned. X value మనం ఏదైనా రీప్లేస్ చేసుకోండి మీ ఇష్టం. రీప్లేస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ 0 అవ్వాలి. 0 అయితే ఏమైతే ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ రీప్లేస్ చేసామో ఆ వాల్యూని ఏమంటాం? 0 ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అంటాం. Zeros play important role in it. X minus 2 whole square greater than 0. Now I am taking 0 of this expression 2. I am taking open bubble because here r equal to symbol is not there. Okay, right. Now you observe what are the x values you have to take it to get a positive. If suppose more than 2 you take it, will get positive or negative? Definitely will get positive. 3 minus 2, 2.1 minus 2, 4 minus 2, positive only. Positive whole square, positive only, no? What about values by taking less than 2? Less than 2 తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? పాజిటివ్ వస్తుందా నెగిటివ్ వస్తుందా చెప్పండి. Take it 0. Less than 2 only, no? 0 you take it. 0 minus 2. Minus 2, okay. But minus 2 whole square is, yes, positive. Negative into negative, positive. So that's why here the values which you take less than 2 also you will get positive. So what are the values of x which satisfies the given in equation? What are the values? Can we take all real numbers? Yes, all real numbers you can take it, but should not take 2. Why? Because when you are substituting 2, you will get the answer 0, but it is strictly greater than. So that's why the values of r, but should not take 2. Except 2, all real numbers satisfied this equation. Okay, one more I am giving you. X minus 3 whole cube. When this expression gives you 0. Yes, at x equal to 3. 3 minus 3, 0. I am asking you now, x minus 3 less than 0. Solution of this equation. And x minus 3 whole cube greater than or equal to 0. Two problems I gave you. I need solutions of these two problems. Say me. First what we have to do it. Observe 0 of the polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? 3. Can we take 3? Here strictly less than means open bubble. Open bubble 3. But here r equal to 0 means must take it closed bubble. Okay. So see, now you take it. For this problem you take it open bubble. Now observe more than 3 you take it. More than 3. Suppose 4 can we take? Yes, 4 minus 3 how much? 1. Is 1 positive or not? Yes, it is positive. Positive whole cube will get positive. So more than 3 if you are taking, then you will get the positive values. More than 3 you take it, will get positive values. Less than 3 you take it. Less than 3 you take it 2. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 value how much? Negative. Negative whole cube is negative. Power is odd, will get negative only, no? So less than 3 you take it, you are getting negative. So the values which are less than 3 of x, then it gives less than 0. Negative will get. More than 3 when we will give, that is the positive. Means here plus symbol, it is minus symbol. Here if power is even, symbol doesn't change. But power is odd, symbol be changed. It is the one point you must remind in your mind. Keep in your mind that point. So therefore solution of this problem is x belongs to, will get from minus infinity to open 3. For this problem x belongs to closed 3 to infinity. Okay, see some problems I will give you homework, do it well.